So today's video is regarding HP DeskJet 2640 all-in-one printer. I'm going to show you how to do the Wi-Fi direct setup. So Wi-Fi direct setup is like using printer's inbuilt Wi-Fi system, and we connect our printer with any device using that Wi-Fi network. Now first step is to switch on the Wi-Fi direct and print the password of this printer. For that we need to switch on the printer and go on the display panel. Now on the display panel, as you can see here, just above the color cartridge indicator, you will see there is a small icon that is for Wi-Fi direct. So make sure that is on. If you don't see it, you just have to press the wireless button once and that will activate the Wi-Fi direct. Now to print the password, we have to press and hold the paper and the information button and wait for the printer to send a command. Print a page. So that's the page here, and it also says welcome to Wi-Fi direct. And in the Wi-Fi direct, how to print using Wi-Fi direct, all the details are given here. It says default Wi-Fi direct password is 12345678. So once we do that, now we go and install the HP Smart app from the App Store, and after that we open the Wi-Fi network. In the Wi-Fi network, you just have to look for the printer here. As you can see here, it says direct 7F HP DeskJet 2600. You just click on that and it will ask that password here. So once you enter the password, click on the connect button. So once you see here on the top, it says connected, and go back, open the HP Smart app. Now in the HP Smart app, we have to add the printer. So on the top of the screen you see the plus button, so click on that and it will take you to the next screen where it displays the name of the printer again. So click on that again and you will see the printer is added shortly here, and I'll show you how to do the wireless scanning with that. For example, if you scroll up, you will see the printer scan option here, also the print document section here. So just click on that and it will start wireless scanning and printing. For example, printer scan, click here. Now open the top scanner lid and place a page facing downwards and click on the scan button. So once the scan is finished, you will see it is transferred here, as you can see on this screen. And if you want, you can save it by just clicking on the save button, and you can choose the format if you want PDF or any other. Also you can add more pages, and if you want to add more pages, just click on the plus button here. Again that same screen will come, and now you can place another document and do the scanning. So you see that the Wi-Fi direct is really easy, and you can connect your printer with any device without the use of Wi-Fi network. Thanks for watching.